need to do to
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following Georgia counties: Barrow, Butts, Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, Crawford, DeKalb, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Lamar, Rockdale, Spalding, Towson, Taylor, Upson, and Walton, effective until tomorrow at 3:20 a.m. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Southwestern Butts County in central Georgia, Northwestern Crawford County in central Georgia, Western Monroe County in central Georgia, Southwestern Barrow County in north central Georgia, Southeastern Cherokee County in north central Georgia, Clayton County in north central Georgia, Eastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, DeKalb County in north central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, Southwestern Forsyth County in north central Georgia, Fulton County in north central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Henry County in north central Georgia, Rockdale County in north central Georgia, Northwestern Walton County in north central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, Spalding County in west central Georgia, Northeastern Talbot County in west central Georgia, Northern Taylor County in west central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amount
Team response.
All flu